Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe. Today we're going to do another Fun Friday where I'm using Heather Austin's collaboration with Odens Eye. And we're going to do another look from this palette. If you can tell by what I'm wearing, you can probably guess I'm going to do green. I took an informal survey around the people that I know, and they said they liked green. So that's what we're going to do today. I do have on primer and tinted sunscreen and what else? Moisturizer. So let's get going now. Okay, we're going to start off with this green right here in the corner. And actually I did see a look that Heather had done, and so this is going to be similar. It may not be exact, but it'll be similar. Because I showed the palette and I took the survey and I said, well, what do y'all like? And they said green. I said, okay, well, there's probably quite a few green things I can do then. And I'd remembered seeing one of the videos she done with 3 colors. So we'll probably use more than 3 though. So let's get that out of the way so we can use it for blending later. And then we're going to take this bright yellowy green here. We're going to put that on the inside. Now so far we're just using mattes, a matte look, but you know me, I like sparkle. If you don't like sparkle, that would be just fine. Let's say some people don't like it because they say their eyes have got texture, but I don't know. I did not pick me out any liner pencils, so I'll have to do that real quick. So let's take this out a little bit more. Now, another thing that she had done, she'd take one of these shades, and I can't remember which one it was. We've got this shade that would look good with green. She acted like all of them would look good. But I think I'm going to stick with this one that looks a little bit closer to green. And she put it in the middle of her eye. I'm thinking I want to do more than that. So, and to keep it kind of on the neat side, I'm going to try with a brush. So I'm going to use this sparkly shade here. I'm not going to use the dark green sparkly shade. I'm kind of going to go over the center of the eye where that matches. And if I think I need a little bit more, I will take it closer to the beginning of the eye. So she just did the center of the eye, and I think that she had her green further to the center than mine is. So, but I'm not doing mine exact. I'm going to go ahead and take mine to the inner part of the lid too. She was just doing some quick looks that people could do when they was getting ready, which I understand what she was doing, because this was, I spent $92 on this. That was a pretty big expense for me. I usually don't spend near that much money, but I had never tried any Odens Eye. Now I'm just doing some blending, and I just wanted to. I like her. I wanted to support her, and I just wanted to. There's a couple more Odens Eye that I'm looking at, like the Angelica. I do kind of like the single shadow, but those are more expensive. But you're getting a lot more product too. So I'm just doing some blending. I've not really added anything onto the brush. I am going to take, if we go with my normal fashion, I'm going to darken up that outer corner some more. Take it through the middle. So my look is definitely different than hers. I'm using the same colors, but it's a different vibe. And that's okay. We have to do things to suit us. And And so I'm just sort of taking that kind of to the center a little bit. Now, if you watch my short on this, when I make it, I'm probably not going to have all this detail because you only have 3 minutes. So a lot of it has to be cut out. I'm going to add a little bit more green for blending. Move the mirror. See how it looks both sides together. Because this 5X mirror, a lot of time I can just see one eye at a time. So for under the eye, since we've got so much green here, I don't think brown's going to go. We might do navy, which there's not any navy here. We would definitely have to use a gel liner. Or we could go black. Let's see how navy looks. That's not navy there. That's just a nude color. Now, I use black a lot. This is pretty dark navy. And I'm just kind of blending out. So anyway, the one she looked had the light green at the front, and mostly matte. The only shimmer she had was in the center of her eye. And I just want a little bit more shimmer than that. We might try just hers another day, but I wasn't feeling it today. I'm losing track of what brushes that I've used. Here it is. So does that navy look okay to you guys? Leave in the comments if I made a mistake. But you know, there are no real mistakes with makeup. It can wash off. It's not like a tattoo. I'm going to go ahead and pick out an inner corner color. They don't have any light blue here. They have turquoise. I don't think I want turquoise. We have just the plain iridescent, which that would be good over something. So I'm thinking I'm going to use light blue on the inner corner. I'm going to grab one of these teeny tiny gel pencils. That's one. Now, before we do any more, I think it's time for foundation. Hopefully I can get this out without spilling it on myself. It's getting down to the end of the tube. I'm pulling out another tube. Now, my tinted sunscreen, it is really down to the end of the tube. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a little powder. I'm just using up some of this Morphe. I'd cracked it. It's getting low. I need to try to use it up. I think I was getting pan before I dropped it, but then, I don't know. I got carpet that I dropped it on. It shouldn't have cracked all up, but it did. So it looks like I still got this glitter. Now then, for above the eye, I may as well just use some blue while I'm at it. I didn't even think about that till just now. Actually, this has been a nice little liner. I got this from Ipsy store. And the eyeshadow part, I really don't use that much. So that would have been a waste if I'd have paid full price. And I got this one and a green one. I think I like the blue one better. Okay. So, let's go ahead and add a little on the inner corner. They're all pretty colors. I'm going to take this white iridescent one here. And I think I grabbed too big of a brush for what I normally use. It looks smaller from a distance. And I'm just sort of taking it in the corner and taking it up each side a little bit. And it looks like this is showing all different shades of colors. Okay, so we're going to start off with the tube mascara. Now I'm going to add the regular L'Oreal mascara. See if I make it a little thicker. The tubing was just to make it longer. Okay, before we get any further, let's just do a little bit more blending. So I've decided about the only thing the same, my look and hers was, I used two of the same colors. I can't remember if she used a third color or not. It definitely wasn't blue because there's not any blue in the palette. She might have just used black eyeliner or something. Or she might have put some green underneath it or something like that. So I'm just adding in some powder underneath my eyes. Try to clean up any mess ups. Time for a little bronzer. I guess today we'll use our CoverGirl again, the Skin Enhancer. Go back to my Glam Light kit for the lips. Just because I like this color. Now we're going to put on some e.l.f. lip balm over it. Set it in. Okay, I'm back. This is the finished look. I tried to do Heather's look, but I couldn't do it. I had to do too much stuff. I just couldn't stop with that. Anyway, so we're going to do some more looks with this because we're by no means done. I'm definitely not going to take a survey again of what people want at home, because I know what they're going to say. They're going to say green or purple. We've already done green and purple. So next time we'll have to do some different colors. Some orange looks good, or brown, or we'll figure something else on next Fun Friday. So thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and give me a like and give me a comment. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.